Lakhain koi singhasona ha war Longlit High School along ar koi ni phain koyarni. Ada por phai sirkep apor malompen Ingdeng Phli GUNOTSAV Ajaimek kedengpon. Bangso aron Assam government atumpen pathik ponsi government school along tin sitami education GUNOTSAV dengpon lo. Lason si Longnit High School along sitami arona tengpen dengpon lo. Lapuson apor ho singhason local MSc mate KACEM in charge agriculture land and revenue excise land and reform etc. Amar sing tiso chitong dun si. Exam a question paper ingpu pidun si. Charlie osomara tumdo an lapen apia po atuma phan ki Charlie anathu kepaprang dun nang jia puthak than pa jermi ponlo. Bangso along SMDC mai phu Dr. Lipson Rongpi Durgeswar Saikya headmaster lapen Kongchun bang pendang lok SMDC bang phu bang phetum chitong dun si GUNOTSAV mesen pen pajut ponlo. Longlit pen Joy Singh Senar Kido Life.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
And Longnit High School is the highest and the prestigious institution of Singhason MSc constituency. So, and we are very lucky to have our school managing committee president, Mr. Dr. Lipson Rongpi, and liaison officer, nodal officer, headmaster, and all teaching staffs, and all my students. I have heard the morning prayer, your commitment. As we all know that we all are students, and today's students are tomorrow citizens. You all have to look together. Karbi Anglong, Assam, India, you all have to look together. So we all are students. And bearing this identity in our mind, let us bring the good name of this college, this institution, this high school. And all, as all of you know that we all are students, so we have to bear in our mind, we have to bring communal harmony in our society. We have to work hard. As all of you know, this world is very competitive. So you have to work hard, you have to burn midnight oil. There is no easy way, there is no shortcut. So quality education is very important. And without personality, you won't be able to gain anything. So degree with personality. So to get your personality, your knowledge, you have to work hard. And as soon as we enter in our compound, our identity should be, I'm not a Karbi, I'm not a Bengali, I'm not a Garo. Our identity should be a student of this Longnit High School. Okay? So, thank you very much for welcoming me with this Karbi Poho and this Gamusa and all. So, thank you.
4, 5. Exercise number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Repeat. Lakshmi Devi.
Veronica Messi Asani.
Kirgon Timulpi.